You may have watched a lot of tutorials on YouTube to open or create a PayPal account in Turkey, but all of them are fake because they are just posting these videos for gaining their own views. But finally, you have come to the right video, because in this video, I will tell you the only working solution which you can use to create PayPal in Turkey. So for that purpose, you have to open up your Instagram account. Why Instagram? You'll just get to know in 1 minute. For the people who do not use Instagram, I will provide an alternative at the end of this video. So after opening the Instagram application, you have to go to this search button available next to the home button. And after tapping in the search bar, you have to watch the video carefully. You have to write exactly the same spellings as I am writing. So you have to write here, how to official 0. And now if you have written the right spellings, then this Instagram account will appear up. So you have to tap on it. It doesn't matter whether you are on Android or iPhone, it works the same on both of the devices. Next, you have to tap on this message button available at this profile. And after that, you have to write a message. I am from Turkey and I need to use your PayPal account. It will be better if you write here rent. I need to rent your PayPal account, and just send this message. This is my Instagram account and I will let you rent or use my PayPal account for your transactions. And in the return, I will just keep a very tiny bit of commission in return of the transactions that you will do using my PayPal account. And if you think I'm just a scam or I'm just lying, let me show you some proofs. Here's a client. I had provided my other services to her and you can see that she is satisfied. And as this message is from 2023, it means I have been providing my services from a very long time. And here's another one. You can see that he's also saying a thanks to me after providing my services. And after that, he had sent me a payment. And my inbox is full of all the people who needed some kind of services, and I have successfully provided them. You too will gain trust on me when you'll message me on my Instagram account. Believe you me that this is the only working solution to use PayPal in Turkey. For the people who do not use Instagram, just let me know in the comments and I will provide another contact of me like WhatsApp or any other social platform that you are convenient to use, and you can contact me there. So I'll be waiting for you on my Instagram account. Thank you so much.